Thank you.
Hey Lola. Hey, don't take us back.
Sorry.
All right.
No, not yet.
Who's the name? Lola. Lola. Hi there. Hi. She's like, yeah, I could see you again. It's a miracle. I like the
Look at them.
Hey, TJ.
Boober.
Take that thing out. He's like, no, I got my binky and I'm moving. I get to have my binky because I'm moving.
Look at him, he just won't move. Boober!
What did you do to me?
Boober! Did you see what he was doing? Who's next to him?
Catherine?
Yeah, she kept touching him. He was like this.
There we go. There's a smile.
Yay!
He's so warm.
Tyler. Hey, Bob. Tyler.
What are they supposed to go with him in?
He's like, where's my candy?
There's Mr. just riding around.
Where's my candy?
Boober.
Tyler.
Come on, do something entertaining.
Tyler.
He's like, Dad, I'm dressed. That's entertaining enough.
He's
Like, yeah, okay. See, now he's kicking his feet. I'm going to kick my feet. There we go.
he's not paying attention.
There we go.
What are you doing? He's like, you touch me when you have a monkey on your head.
Oh, that's cool. That zooms in?
What?
You're zoomed in?
Yeah. Makes it a lot easier.
Oh, sorry.
Where's your class?
Aww.
That's Nadia up there. I didn't look for you.
That's not even that far away. Come on, let's move it.
Hi, guys. Hi. Hands in. Aww. Yeah, I figured I'll just leave him in his costume and take him indoors. Oh!
I'm going to go. I'm not going to go inside.
In my car is... Keep an eye on him, Daddy.
I got him.
No.
Yeah. Come on. That's okay.
Tyler.
Why'd you pick up his face?
Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.